What's up, guys? Jack Scalfani here. Thanks for tuning into the show. Just really quick, I want you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because that's important. It notifies you when I have a new video going. But in the meantime, it's time to get through all our product reviews. We have a ton of product reviews coming your way. Oh, getting messages already. More and more products are coming to the show to review them, to talk about the holidays, their great Christmas gift ideas. And today we're going to look at this device, and you've seen me do indoor grills before. I get very excited over indoor grills. Why? Because they're affordable. They're also great for apartments, RVs, or camping. They're also good for starting kids off on grilling. You can do it in the kitchen safely with mom right beside the child. They can do it together. And just be real careful as you teach a child how to grill meat or grill vegetables or whatever you want to grill. It's got your grill plate that comes out. Okay. Now let me tell you what this is called. Barbechef. Okay, Barbechef. I have one of the test devices. So there's the one you're gonna get is probably gonna be way better than the one I got right here. All right. So this one, in fact, it's from overseas, so it's in Celsius, which is interesting. So I had to calculate what Celsius was for cooking on it, so I know what temperature I'm going to cook at. So I've already got that figured out. But this device here, it grills just like the other ones, steaks, vegetables, whatever you want. Gets really hot really fast, so be very careful. It is like an infrared light. Here's what's exciting. You guys ready for this? This is why I'm doing this review. I've already showed you indoor grills. Why is Barbechef above the rest? This is why I'll show you. First of all, they gave me metal shish kebabs. That's kind of cool. But the reason I'm doing this video is for this. That's right. Look at it. It's got the rotisserie setup. This does rotisserie. So we're doing rotisserie chicken on the Barbechef. It's literally not even, they're taking backers right now on Indiegogo. It's really cool. It's really affordable. You got to check it out. I'll have a link down below. But here is the device. Give that a look. And in the meantime, oh, and it comes with a tool for lifting the hot grill. You know how you scoop on the grill and lift up? That's what this is. So they pretty much thought of everything. I see everything. Got the drip pan that comes out the side. It's pretty much got everything. So let's prepare our chicken first, and then we will set this up for rotisserie. Kind of interesting. I've never heard rotisserie indoor grill. Unheard of until today. So let's try it out. We're going to cook us a rotisserie chicken. So the first thing you want to do is tie up your chicken. If you don't have the ability to do this, just check out a video on YouTube. They'll teach you how to. Tammy already knows how to do this, so she tied up the chicken. And the second thing you're going to do is season the chicken. We're going to be using our, remember Rub with Love? Remember this? Remember I said I put on rotisserie chicken? It's for roasted chicken, but I'm putting it on rotisserie chicken. And we're going to season this kind of heavily. We're not going to be shy about this, okay? So go ahead and apply your seasoning heavily. You want to shake it out, you can shake it out. This is what it should look like. The bird, the legs are tied in, the wings are tied up. The two circles press in with spikes, and this runs right through the middle of the bird. Okay, then you tighten them, hold everything in place, and this is what it should look like before it goes on. Okay, here it is. Chicken's in. It's already skewered or on the rotisserie, so we're going to turn it on right now. We're going to set it at, we want to cook this at 400 degrees. So let's set the infrared to 400, which is 204.4 Celsius. Since this is only one of the test models, we're in Celsius right now, but I hope that the American ones that that are on the Indiegogo, which it probably should say,
I'm going to do 205 just so you know.
would be Fahrenheit. So Tammy decided to go up to 205, so we're just a little bit hotter than 400 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? And then, once this gets nice and hot, let's do, I don't know, let's do 90 minutes to start. I've never timed rotisserie chicken. There's no recipe that says you need to rotate it for an hour. So I don't know how long it's going to take. What am I going to do? Well, let me show you. I'm going to take my instant read thermometer, and when this reaches 170 degrees in the breast meat, it is done. Okay? So this is what it looks like rotating right now. And it'll be doing that for quite a while. Just quick check on this. You can hear it popping and cracking, crackling and all that. It's going great. I'm kind of impressed. Even though it goes off and on, that's how it controls temperature. It's doing a beautiful job. So we just tested the temperature. It's about 150. We're not there yet. So once we hit around 165, I'm looking for maybe even 170 in the breast meat, then we're good. We are at the temperature. It stopped. It took us about, we did 90 minutes, then 30 minutes. So it took about 2 hours to do this rotisserie chicken. So just set this off to the side, do your work, go to work, come back in 2 hours, and it'll be done. So let's give this a try. We're going to take this apart, and we'll show you how delicious it looks. Take this and turn this over. This looks this seasoning is so good. All right, let's see if I can do this now. Okay, guys, just want to show you this leg, how beautiful it's cooked. Looks gorgeous, and all the meat is at temperature. Looks beautiful. Look at that. Totally tender and totally juicy. The seasoning is beautiful. The seasoning, I got a little bit on my finger. I tasted it. It's to die for. So this is going to be really good right here. Wow. Okay. It's Barbechef. I'll give you the link down below. It did an amazing job on this chicken. The seasoning is rubbed with love, and I absolutely love this seasoning. I don't know why I'm falling in love with it so much, but it's just good on chicken. All right? So I'll see you guys later. You have a good time. Check this out. Be a great gift for the holidays. I love you, and I'll see you in the next product review, okay? Because it's coming up next.